Blue Phoenix, a spiritual rebirth meditation. This guided meditation takes you on a journey with the spirit of the blue phoenix, a symbol of spiritual rebirth, allowing you to replace rigidity with flexibility, shedding the old and birthing something new. To begin, get into a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Gently close your eyes. The past is gone, and the future is yet to come. And in this perfect moment is right now, is the present. Settle into your body. Your shoulders relaxed. All of your muscles soften and release. Your breath is slow and even. Another breath. Imagine standing at the edge of a sacred forest, listening to the hum of life contained within. Feel the gentle warmth of the air. And sink further into this present moment. Just beyond the forest is a pathway which leads to a mountain. Imagine journeying up this mountain, path full of obstacles, boulders, and landslides. It can make it difficult to tell what's ahead of you. And yet, as you climb, you know something wonderful awaits at the top. As the sun slowly sinks into the horizon, you reach the top of the mountain and see a large fire. An old, tired phoenix comes into view, her large wings dragging behind her as she approaches the fire, gazing deeply into it. With one brave step, she throws herself into the fire. The red, orange, and blue flames dance higher and higher. And as you watch the fire, consider the old, restrictive stories, beliefs, thoughts, words, or patterns that no longer have a place in your life. Imagine that which no longer serves you burns up in the fire, along with that old, tired phoenix. Notice what this release feels like in your body, perhaps a lightness in your chest and heart. And as the flames die down, from the ashes arises a renewed phoenix with bright, vibrant blue feathers. Standing in front of you, she opens her enormous wings. The blue phoenix, a symbol of spiritual rebirth, shows you that incredible transformation is possible. Your life is changing, and perhaps in ways that you didn't expect. Transmutation is the act of changing from one element or state of being into another. Something you thought may never change is in fact changing now into something amazing. It's not an ending, but rather a bright new beginning. Situations that may have seemed lackluster are transmuting into fabulous opportunities. Release expectations and limited thinking because things are not what they seem. A big change is taking place in your life. You're entering a new cycle, a rebirth, and the best is yet to come. So embodying the spirit of the blue phoenix, ask yourself, or your higher self, what does this rebirth, my transmutation, my transformation, look and feel like in my life? Another breath. And now express gratitude to the blue phoenix for showing you what's possible, for her presence. And now bring your attention back to your lower belly. Take a big, deep belly belly breath. And at the end of that exhale, when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes, taking the spirit of the blue phoenix with you into your life, continuing to transmute and transform.